On behalf of AGP Limited, I welcome you to a short presentation summarizing the performance overview for the year 2020 and our strategic outlook. 2020 was an unusual year, full of unprecedented challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. I would like to acknowledge that the Government of Pakistan, particularly the State Bank of Pakistan, for introducing a number of monetary and fiscal measures that helped stimulate business recovery. While the government played its part in dealing with macroeconomic factors, AGP took the challenge head on and kept the operations running throughout the year. Our dedicated workforce worked selflessly to ensure continuous supply of our medicines in the market to cater to those in need. It is through their valuable support that the company was able to not only respond to the pandemic effectively, but also progress towards achieving our strategic goals and objectives. AGP implemented several measures to ensure the safety of our most valuable asset, our people. Apart from frequent sanitization of facilities and daily health checks, some of our distinct initiatives included regular antibody and PCR testing of workforce at all production sites, additional shifts to ensure social distancing in plant operations, and transport facility to ensure labor mobility with COVID protocols. AGP remained cognizant of its social responsibility and took the following initiatives. Introduced AGP Dial clinics through a digital platform to provide online consultancies from experienced doctors. Hosted a series of health awareness sessions called Sehat Ki Baatein through renowned healthcare practitioners. Provided free of cost sanitizers and antibody test kits to multiple institutions across the country, and donated a set of anesthesia machine with ventilator to Patients Aid Foundation. Despite significant economic headwinds, the company was able to deliver double-digit growth of 11.1% for the year 2020, resulting in a revenue of PKR 6.9 billion. The increase in sale was on the back of growth in domestic retail portfolio by 9% and a robust growth of 41% in sales to Afghanistan. Our flagship brand Rijix, which is also the largest selling antihistamine in Pakistan, registered a growth of 25% over 2019. Rijix tablet was the first dosage form to reach the coveted PKR 1 billion milestone. Another top brand of the company, Osnate, joined the PKR 1 billion club with Rijix in the year 2020. Sales growth of the company could not be fully translated to gross profit as margins remained under pressure due to devaluation of Pakistani rupee and a one-off provisioning of COVID-19 antibody test kits as they became redundant due to rapidly changing technology. Resultantly, the gross profit recorded an increase of 5.5% over 2019. The company increased its net profit to PKR 1.6 billion and earnings to PKR 5.67 per share, demonstrating a growth of 9.8%. This was achieved through focus on profitable products, containment of marketing and travel related expenses, reduction in financial costs due to a decrease in interest rates by 625 basis points, and operational efficiencies. As per company's commitment towards enhancing shareholders' value, AGP's market capitalization grew by 14.6% to PKR 31.9 billion, and the company announced a final dividend of 1 rupee, increasing the total dividend payout to 2 rupees per share for the year 2020. I am delighted to share that AGP was able to secure a position in the prestigious list of top 25 companies of 2019 announced by the Pakistan Stock Exchange. Delivering on our promise of fairness and transparency in corporate reporting enabled us to secure third position in Best Corporate Reports Award competition held by the Joint Committee of Institute of Chartered Accountants and Institute of Cost Management Accountants of Pakistan. Our efforts towards ensuring a diverse and inclusive work environment was recognized by the Global Diversity and Inclusion Benchmark by HR Matrix, where we won 3 awards in various categories. We will continue to focus on enhancing our product portfolio and capitalizing on opportunities for inorganic growth. Consistent with this strategic objective, the Board of Directors authorized the company to acquire a majority stake in the portfolio of Sandoz Pakistan Business Division. This transaction is expected to close during the course of 2021 after completion of regulatory requirements. The said acquisition is expected to complement our product portfolio, leading to growth in our top line and in turn maximizing shareholders' value. Now, a few words regarding our future outlook. According to the World Bank data of 2018, Pakistan's per capita health expenditure is $42.9 as compared to the South Asian average of $67.2. Therefore, prospects of future growth remain strong and AGP is well positioned to take advantage of opportunities in the market. In the end, I would like to thank our customers, business partners and shareholders for their continued support and trust. I am particularly grateful to our employees for their determination through these testing times. I am confident that together we will continue to deliver on our promise of a healthier tomorrow. Thank you for your attention.